In every real estate transaction, there's a move involved. And with every move, there's a consumer's concern over the safety of their personal property as well as the safety of their home, since things are being moved in and out the door. And that's why it's important to work with a reputable mover. Jim Melvin with Careful with the China is one of those movers that I work with on a regular basis. Jim, tell us how you make sure consumers' personal property and their home are protected.
Well, certainly that's our most important thing, is protect the property when we're moving them. First off, being fully licensed and insured is the backup you need to make sure if in case there is any problems, you are insured to replace it. After that, we like to take our carpets and roll them out to make sure the floors are protected.
Red carpet service.
Once the carpets are out, we like to take our door protectors, put these over the doors in the house to make sure they don't get any dings and scratches. Once that's out, we take our threshold protectors and put this in the door thresholds to make sure the wood trim is not damaged. Once that's out, if there's any narrow hallways or whatnot, we'll break our boxes down and lay them flat to where we protect the walls. The shrink wrap, it's falling on my foot. We take this, we wrap the furniture with this. We also wrap all the furniture with the blankets. You want to have your truck fully stocked with blankets, so you have plenty of blankets to protect the furniture, and then we start loading the truck. Once that's done, the furniture is protected as well as it can be, and we move and get to the next spot.
There's a lot of detail that goes into moving. I'm sure once you load things on the truck, they get strapped in with these straps too.
That's right. We use the straps to lock them in. That's right.
What size moves do you do, and how far can you move?
Well, any size. We'll do a one-bedroom apartment all the way up to your biggest house. Just however many trucks we need to bring, we can bring those trucks, and then we'll do anything inside of those trucks.
It sounds like you can handle it all, and in the process, people's property and their home are well protected. And I highly recommend you consider Jim Melvin with Careful with the China for your moving needs.